Miata is always
So
the
the black
answer.
car is running. Great news. However, it's just not running quite right. We're pretty sure it's a fueling issue. So we're going to swap out the injectors. We have some extra injectors that we did clean. We're going to swap them out for the ones that are in there. And hopefully that takes care of our little bit of spitting issue and it just runs a little bit better. So we're going to take that out. I think there's just 3 bolts and replace the injectors and see if that makes any difference. So to clean the old ones, we necked down a sprayer from a brake clean to a piece of hose that would go over the injector. And then what we used is some wire and a battery to energize it and spray down on the brake clean, and it would open as the electricity went through the injector. It would open and close it, and it would spray out brake cleaner. So that was how we cleaned it. So hopefully that was enough to get the injectors clean enough for the black car. We're going to test the injectors, and number 3 has been giving us problems.
There should be no voltage.
So now it should be at 0, but we are getting a reading. But when it's grounded, it does get to 12 volts. And sometimes when we test it, right?
Yeah, I think it's the plug.
We can strip the plug off, test the wires, right? Let's see if that does it. So just on the exposed wire.
I mean, I would replace the plug.
That's what we'll do. So number 3, we're coming to help. Got a new wire, or new plug I should say, and we're gonna just crimp it to the old one. I mean, this is gonna be way too long, but it's fine, right?
Yeah.
Even though we fixed the intermittent fuel injection plug and cleaned the fuel injectors, the car still isn't running great. Stay tuned to see what we try next. Thanks for watching.